My name is Mireia. I'm originally from Bilbao in Spain, and I studied a master's in computer science. I come from a scientific field, so I worked in microbiology before. I was in the process of pivoting, and I felt like this program would really support that transition. The most surprising thing that I learned is the power of knowing how to research. In tech, there's always something new, and so it can feel quite overwhelming, especially coming from a different field. But once you know how to find the right information, it becomes a lot more manageable and even exciting to be learning new things all the time. My favorite thing was the final project, no doubt. It gave me an opportunity to dive into a topic that I was interested in, which is the use of machine learning in optimizing business operations. I really enjoyed building a functional solution from scratch. I studied independently. There are many resources available to us. First of all, each module comes with lectures, exercises, and readings. Then each module has a graded final assignment, and also some of them smaller graded assignments throughout. And then there are tutors available for questions, and the online library was our excellent resource throughout. There are a few ways that we are encouraged to connect with other students. First of all, there are discussion channels for each module where lecturers suggest discussion points each week. And then there are also modules that have group work. There are also unofficial Discord channels where students share their experiences. I would recommend the University of London to anybody. The flexibility is incredible. I was able to complete the master's within the minimum amount of time while working full-time. The modules are also very practical, so you gain real-world skills. And then, of course, there's the long-standing academic reputation. It's helped me build a very strong foundation in core computer science concepts and also key areas of software engineering. It's also given me hands-on experience with currently relevant areas of tech, like machine learning and cloud computing and security. And just as importantly, it's given me the confidence to navigate the tech world. I've been working as a software developer for over 3 years now, and so I feel like with the masters, new opportunities arise for me to take on more complex challenges and continue growing within the software engineering field. My advice to prospective students is to stay focused on why you started when things get tough. I'm here with my partner, who really encouraged me to go for it in the first place, and honestly, I couldn't have done it without their support. It feels fantastic to be graduating. It represents a lot of hard work, but also fulfillment and personal growth. So I'm very proud of what I've achieved.